Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI powerful video generator platform, which is Deepbrain AI. So let's get started with a breakdown about Deepbrain. Deepbrain is a powerful AI video generator that turns text into high quality video using a realistic avatars and voiceover. It supports over 800 languages and offer hundreds of avatars, including useful tools like PPT to video conversion, ChatGPT powered scripting writing, and a custom avatar creation. It's ideal for businesses, educators, and marketers who want to produce a professional videos quickly and at a scale. However, the app has some drawback. Avatar can occasionally feel stiff or unnatural, especially during a long or expressive script. Some users also find the price high for solo creators, and advanced features may require a learning curve. And here's a real conclusion about this platform. So the platform worth it for teams and professionals looking for streamlined video production, but not the best option for casual or low budget user. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.